Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your guy Patrick, and today I'm going to prepare a local Ghanaian stew. This is not just a stew, it's a chicken stew. I hope you like, subscribe, and always try to visit my page too. So right now, these are the ingredients I do have. I have some green pepper here, tomatoes, the chicken itself, the red chili powder, chicken masala, that's a spicy, and I have my ginger, onions, garlic. I think everything is here already, so stick to it and you get the finest of chicken stew you've ever seen. So right now I'm going to stock the meat. I have to blend my ginger and garlic together and pour it on it, put some pepper and other ingredients in it, then stock for some time. I've already added the pepper. Now I'm going to add the blended garlic and ginger. Make sure it moves around every corner. So I then added my blended onions. I'm now getting it spiced. This is chicken masala. It's really here in India. So spicy. I have to stir this up a little bit so that it will go every corner of this meat. The spices, the onions and everything will be everywhere. You have to add some salt to it. Okay, so this is my blended tomatoes and I'm cooking it a little bit. This is my blended onions and I've already placed my oil on fire. I'm going to pour these onions in the oil. It will go on. I dey steam the meat. I'm steaming the meat. You know, it will go on. So right now my onions are getting brown, so I have to add this chili powder. It's a pepper, so I have to add it and stir a little bit. For me, I do like pepper a lot, so sometimes I put in a lot of pepper. And just stir it like this. So this is the sauce from the chicken that was steamed. It's really useful. I don't have to throw it away. I'll use it for the stew. This is my steamed chicken, and right now I'm going to fry it. Very soon I'll be frying it, and the stew is still on. So right now I'm going to pour my tomatoes inside the onion and the pepper. You know, I told you I cook this tomato a little bit, so it's going to be on like this. These are pepper. I'm going to put them in the stew. My chicken really browned very well, so I will let the stew also cook for some time. So I have my onions and green pepper here. So I'm going to put them inside this. onion and green pepper. So this is my chicken masala. I'm going to put it in there. At this moment I need to spice it. The stew needs spices. So this is the sauce from what I steamed, the chicken. I'm going to pour it inside the stew. It gives it another flavor, you know, a chicken flavor. I'll stir it a little bit. Then. So this is time to put salt in it. I'm going to add this belly to it and also put some rosemary in it. Rosemary. So it's time for me to pour the chicken inside the stew. So this is my chicken stew.